Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate C program for basics of structure. So in this basics of structure I am going to show you how to define structure, how to declare structure variable and how to initialize structure variable at compile time. So I am going to show you this program. Okay, so let us start with C program for basics of structure. Okay, so I have declared here header file, then I have defined main function. Now I am defining structure. I am defining structure student. Okay, so I will take three members of structure: roll number, average, and then name of student. So these are the structure members. Getting? So you know that structure definition ends with semicolon. So this is what structure definition, which has student. See, structure name is student and it has three members, that is roll number, average, and name, and structure definition should end with semicolon. Now I am going to declare structure variable. So I will take only one structure variable, so that is yes. Okay, so this is structure variable declaration. Now I am going to initialize this structure variable. Getting? So compile time initialization of structure variable is done with assignment operator. Now see, the first value should be integer, second value should be float. So you should follow here the sequence of structure member. Whatever sequence you have used for structure member, that should be used to pass the values or to initialize those values. And third one is name. Getting? So this is what compile time initialization of structure variable. Now how to print these values? So see, what is the type of first value? Integer, second float, and third one is string. So use that sequence here only. Yes. Getting? And next one is you need to print those values. Okay, you need to print those values. So here variable, structure variable name dot roll number, comma, structure variable dot then member, comma, structure variable dot structure member name. So this is what how to print structure values, okay, or value of structure members. Getting? So let us see the output. So you should get those values 10, 45.7 and then RIT. So this is simple program for compile time initialization of structure variable. Getting? Now we'll see runtime initialization of structure variable. Getting? So this program is for structure variable initialization at compile time. Now we'll see runtime initialization. Okay, now see, I have defined already student structure with three members: roll number, then average, and name, and data types are integer, float, and string array or character array. Getting? Respectively. Now I will declare structure variable, one structure variable, and we are going to initialize this at runtime. So I will ask user to enter these values. Enter roll number, average, and name of student. And with the help of scanf we'll initialize these values. So format specifier must be first integer, then float, then string. Getting? And while reading, as you are reading integer value, so there should be AND operator, then structure variable dot member name, comma, and yes dot avg, and while reading string we don't require AND operator, so yes dot name. Getting? This is enough. You can also use AND operator there, but if you want to use AND operator, then you should use AND operator like this, and yes dot name of 0, like this you can use this. Okay, but as simplicity you can use only yes dot name. Okay, so this is what runtime initialization of structure variable. And now print those values. So %d slash t, %f slash t, %yes, and yes dot roll number. Same sequence you should follow. avg yes dot name. Okay, so let us compile this and run this. So give values. See, first is integer, that is roll number, then average, it is in float, and third one is string, that is rit. So this is what runtime initialization. So this program shows you how to define structure in C language, how to declare structure variable, and how to initialize structure variable at compile time and at runtime. So here we have covered the C program on basics of structure. Thank you.